Hi everyone, my name is Taiwo. Our today's topic is to introduce an essential window utility design for everyday computer user. As you can see, the screen capture portable simple file encryption tools. At the bottom left hand side, you can see permanently irretrievable. This application is exactly what it does. You cannot recover any file you encrypt. B1 encrypts only unwanted sensitive and confidential data. For example, when disposing of your old computer, you can use this application, or you create a separate folder for your unwanted data to encrypt. I'm going to take you to the next slide to show you summary facts about this app. Note, this app is a standalone, fully portable application as the name implies. It does not require a complicated installation process. Simply download it, double-click the application and run it. The app can also be executed directly from a USB drive or a restricted network drive, making it convenient for use in environments where software installation is limited or restricted. I'm going to go to the next slide to give you further summary facts about this application. The app is designed to securely encrypt obsolete files and documents, effectively destroying the underlying data in a manner similar to a physical shredder and making the original information permanently irretrievable. The purpose is to ensure that sensitive data is no longer accessible to unauthorized individuals, thereby reducing the risk of data exposure and protecting against potential cyber threats. So I'm going to navigate to the next slide to show you our demo page. As you can see, the first question you need to ask yourself, can you encrypt large amounts of data quickly, securely, and without complicated software installation? This is exactly what this application does. Encrypted 50 gigabyte file in less than a minute. I'm going to precisely demonstrate about 52 gigabytes of data that will be encrypted less than about 20 seconds. So now let us go to the next page to do the demonstration for our encrypted file. Watch portable simple file encryption tools in action. I'm going to load our application. Loaded successfully. Before we go further, let me just quickly do a quick introduction about this application. As you can see, we have populate subfolder, populate subfolder. Populate subfolder will populate multiple subfolder. Populate subfolder will populate only one single folder. Start encryption will encrypt the file you selected on the folder. Also, the window pane will display everything in the base file name, extension, folder, directory, file link, and so on and so forth. Also, file size, created date, modified date. Remove table will remove all everything in the window pane. F readme will show you just information guideline about the application. Print PDF is going to print the F guideline for you to read in PDF. Export to Excel, I will come back to that later. About the application, simple file execution tools portable version 02 and is designed and developed by Taiwo Kujore, which is myself. That's it. That's what you need to understand about all these buttons. The count will show you the total number of records in the folder, and the self-explanatory exit application will exit the application. So the next thing to do is to load our folder where to use as a kind of demo page. It's loading. Now, this is our folder that we want to use. We have, as you can see, we have 162 gigabytes of free space on this. We're going to navigate straight away to our folder we want to use. We're going to go to delete data folder. Our delete data folder, this is what we want to use. And I'm going to check the property of our delete data folder so that we can see how many files we have there, as I said. So this is our delete data folder. We have about 52.3 gigabytes of data. So basically we have 263 files, 18 folders. So I'm going to click cancel. This one, and let me demonstrate the two methods. You can drag. When I click populate subfolder, let me tell you the reason why it's not showing anything. Nothing is in this file as a single file. We have only inner folder. If I click subfolder, populate subfolder, you're going to see everything, 263 files as we show initially. And to use the remove table, because we don't want to escape now, You click this, it's going to remove everything. So now let us do the load folder via Window Explorer. Then you go to navigate to the delete data folder and we click that. And it's the same thing. Nothing going on this. And now we're going to do the demonstration. Before we do the demonstration, let me show you how this export to Excel works. When you click this, it's going to give you a window to save as Excel file. As you can see, this is Excel file. I'm not going to do that. That's not what we want to do. So in case you want to use it for better analysis, that's the reason why we showcase that. So the next thing to do, which is the main thing that we want to showcase in this application, that before we go for that, I'm going to show you the file size. These are our file size. Immediately I click on Start Encryption. It's going to tell us if we are ready to go. Let's try it. Now, are you sure you want to encrypt all docs in the folder? Note, encrypted files not recoverable. I'm going to click yes. You will see the magic. And the good thing about this application is going to show you the time that takes to finish the task. Now, watch it. This is nanoseconds. It's not even up to 1 second. It's nanoseconds. Everything has turned to 1 kilobyte. Extremely speedy application, just like in lightning speed. Let's go for that a bit. Let's see and check the folder size again. This is our, you remember, this is our delete folder. Is 3.85 kilobytes from 52. Can you imagine? This is a magic application. It's one of the most fastest application in the world. Click that and you want to see the property of this folder. How many we have? You can see 263 and it's 3. You see, that's it. It's really working. So the next thing to do is to show you how many file size we have in our you see is now 214 gigabytes. So this is all what you need to understand. So the next stage is to show you where to get your copy from. Go to payip.com/b/capital Z, small letter C, capital Q, capital M, small letter X for X-ray. https://payip.com/b/Z, capital Z/small letter C, big letter Q, big letter M, X. That's where to get your copy. That's it. This is what you need to understand about this application. That's it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. I remain yours. I will come for more educative tutorial. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe and get your copy. Bye for now.